What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? Wow, a lot of people in here, nice and early. Thank you guys. What up, Peasy? What up, Monir? What up, Low Roller? Educated Fool? Zach? Thank all of you guys for being here today. Can already tell this is going to be a great show. Really appreciate it. All right. So today is Friday, January 14th, 2021. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. So first of all, we broke 500. I think we're at 503 now, subscribers, so thank you very much. Appreciate you guys. Come a long way so far. And, announcement, no show on Monday. I don't know if you guys know, it's MLK Day on Monday. Stock market is closed, so no show on Monday. So, long weekend here. All right. Didn't go outside. I got sick today. I hope you don't have the C19. Hope you get better, dude. You heard Logan Paul got scammed Pokemon cards. Is this new? Because I know, like, last year or something, he got scammed. Did he get scammed again? So I'm not sure if that's new or not, but I know before he got scammed, so I'm not sure if he got scammed again. Yeah, that sucks, but, it's what happens when you deal with collecting rare stuff like that. That's unfortunate, though. Crypto's open 24/7 and never closed. Yeah, but stock market's closed, so, take a day off on Monday. All right, guys. So I got a great show for you guys today. Oh, we're doing the show from the stock exchange. Stock exchange. Pretty neutral day today, in the stock market at least. Overall up, slightly bullish in the stock market. But the Dow Jones was down, so we'll do the show from the stock exchange today. Crypto was up, though. So overall, slightly bullish to bullish day. Hope you guys made some fat tendies. But yeah, got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And today we have 4 articles all about crypto. One about Mark Cuban, one about FTX, one about India, and one about Dogecoin. And today, for the analysis, we'll be going over BBIG. That one is mooning. Been talking about that one for, like a week now. Still mooning. So, yeah. Peasy, are you still in BBIG? I sure hope so, dude. Because that is mooning right now. I assume you are, so congrats, man. So yeah, we're gonna do BBIG. We're gonna do Dogecoin. I gotta do Dogecoin. Got some news on that, and that's been going nuts lately. Let's go Dogecoin. I'm still in the red here. I should have averaged down. But yeah, Dogecoin is coming back. I'm still in the red here, and diamond hands on that. And then we're gonna do CENN Cenntro Electric Group, which we've been talking about for like the past week. Yesterday's video was kind of mixed feelings about that. For the most part, it was positive, but I called out that guy who was arguing with me about Cenntro. But for the most part, people like that video. Got a good amount of subs from that. But yeah, that was mooning today, so we're gonna talk about it. And then we'll finish off with our Yolos. Got a lot of lost corn today. I love Fridays. Friday is lost corn day. And today we got a lot of lost corn. So stay tuned for that, guys. Should be fun. Long game fam. Diamond hands. All right, man. For sure.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
All right. So, yeah, let's do it, guys. Today, maybe we'll go 2 hours. There's a good amount of content, and it seems like there's a good amount of people in here today. So, I expect to be chatting with you guys. So, I think we'll go around 2 hours. We'll see. All right, let's do it, guys. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right. And boom, let's do it. All right, so the Dow Jones finishes down 0.56%. The Nasdaq finishes up 0.75%, and the S&P 500 finishes up 0.08%. So yeah, overall, slightly bullish in the stock market at least. The VIX is down 5.32%, down 1.09 points. So we're under 20 again, 19.22. So that's good. You know, for a quick second there, it looked like things were getting pretty fearful, pretty volatile. But, you know, after today, we are back under 20. So getting back on track here. That's a good thing. All right, let's take a look at the watch list here. Kroger guy probably got C19. He is sick and now desperate for money. He can go behind Wendy's, make some easy money there. Meet me behind the dumpster. I don't play that way though, but you know, that's always an option. All right, let's check it out. So actually, there's a good amount of red, too. A good balance between green and red. But yeah, let's check it out. So we got BBIG up 15.3%. Number one gainer on my watch list here. And it's still going in the aftermarket. So, wow, that's a good sign. But yeah, that's over $4 now. And we'll talk about that one first today. What else we got here? Oxygen up 5.72%. Interesting. Okay. Oxygen making a little run here. Prague up 5%. DWEC 5%. CEI up 4.11%. Looks like the Chinese EVs are up. XPeng is up 4.57%. PHUN. You know, that trades in sympathy with DWAC. That's up 3.58%. So I know, Monir, you bought into that. Congrats to you. AMD, pretty big day, 3.12%. MicroStrategy up 2%. Crypto stock there. Microsoft 1.77%. Tesla 1.75%. Marathon 1.74%. Another crypto stock. Viacom 1.74%. Viacom's been going on a run lately. Still down on that, but that's been going up a lot. Facebook, Meta, 1.66%. Yeah, NEO's up. Chinese EV stock there. Baidu, another Chinese EV stock. Nvidia, 1.38%. Intel, 1.38%. So it looks like tech is doing pretty well today. Even Clover is up 1.3%. Netflix, 1.25%. Li Auto, another Chinese EV stock. A few memes as well. BlackBerry, Virgin Galactic, SoFi. Coinbase is up 0.79%. Google 0.64%. Amazon 0.57%. Apple 0.51%. That's about it. Got MMAT bouncing a little bit here. Alibaba up a little bit. Yeah, so actually, you know, not too much going on in the stock market today. Pretty standard, you know, slightly bullish day. Not too much price action. It definitely seems like growth was really big today. It seems like tech was leading the way and a lot of growth went up. Yeah, tech was leading the way, up 0.75% today. So, not bad, not bad. I will take it. And I'm sure you guys will take it as well. So, congrats to you guys who had tech in your portfolios today. And, I hope you had a few growth stocks, or meme stocks, I guess, that did pretty well. Also, wow, BBIG is still running here, up to 420. Nice. And then we got some stocks pretty sideways today. Palantir. Oh, it's not NAKD anymore. It's CENN. That's right. Wish sideways. It's actually, yeah, CENN is the biggest gainer. 21.84%. Which we will discuss third today after Dogecoin. On to the red side. If I go outside sick, is it illegal for me to go outside to spread C19? No, dude. I don't think so, at least. I think people just get pissed at you, but it's not illegal. Alright, on to the red side. What's going on here? So, damn, XCLA down 7.58%. Sorry, Monir. You made some money on PHUN, lost it on XCLA. So, yeah, I think I said the other day. It's looking like it's coming back down to 44, unfortunately. Yeah, so sorry about that, dude. It looks like it's still going down. Whoa, JP Morgan down 6.15%. That's really nasty. What happened there? GME down 4.76%. DraftKings 4.33%. Wow, lower lows, huh? Looks like financials didn't do too well today. Or a few of them at least. Morgan Stanley's down 3.58%. That's pretty nasty. Uber Lyft down 3%. Costco 2.69%. Square 2.67%. So a lot of the meme stocks in the meme index are down. Moderna down. Peloton down about 2.5%. DraftKings in there. Square is in there. What else we got here? PayPal down 1.43%. Roblox down 1.41%. That's another meme stock. Novavax keeps going down 1.39%. Pfizer down 1%. GM down 1%. Robinhood, Snapchat, those are down a little less than 1%. More meme stocks. Oh, meme index is down 0.58% today. Yep, that explains it. Twitter down 0.67%. AMC down 0.44%. And Tilray also a meme stock. That's down a little bit, but hey, not too bad, not too bad. So it definitely seems like growth stocks and tech were leading the way, and so the blue chip stuff didn't get hit too hard today, except for it seems like financials. For some reason, those went down a lot. Other than that, a lot of growth slash meme stocks were on the red side, but it looks like value was pretty good for the most part, especially tech. Either went up or didn't get hit too hard. And the other things that went down again are a few growth stocks, growth slash meme stocks, and financials. So a pretty standard day in the stock market today. Nothing too crazy, but overall in the green. So hope you guys did pretty good here in the stock market. Hope you guys made some tendies today. Okay, on to crypto. Give me 1 second here. Did they fix this 24-hour thing yet? Nope. I think that's going to be there forever. All right. So crypto is up 1.33% today. Not bad at all. I will take it. Use CoinGecko? Yeah, I should start using CoinGecko. Can you link it, low roller? All right, let's start with some of these trending meme coins. Sphinx ETH. What the hell is this? It's a cat. Is this a meme coin? It's a cat. I think it's a meme coin. That's down 11% today. And there's Cumstar, 18%. And then Moonbeam. Don't know what those are. Buns Cake. I think this was trending yesterday, too. That just keeps on going up. It's up another 1,900% today. What the actual hell? So this looks like a pump and dump and pump and dump and pump and dump. Today's pumping again. That's up 1,900%. Coin market cap doing on purpose so the newbie will buy cheapest coin. Yeah, so they can get rug pulled, right? And there's Pepe. This one has been going up a lot. That's up another 1,600% today. Actually, here's another pump and dump. Pump and dump and pump and dump and pump and dump. That's up a lot today. And then what's here? Kitty Ninja. So we have a few cat coins trending today. Not dog coins, cat coins, but that's down 25%. Alright, enough of that. On to... Alright, thanks, low roller. On to the legit crypto here. So, Bitcoin up a little bit, 1.17%. Ether, 1.2%. Binance, 1.86%. Solana's down a little bit, 1.36%. Cardano, pretty good, 2.43%. Polkadot, 3.76%. And let's go Doge. It's at 19 cents now. What's up? Let's go Doge. Up 14.39%. So we do have some news on Doge, so we'll get to that very shortly. But Doge is number 11 now on CoinMarketCap, overtaking Avalanche. Sheeb overtook Polygon, just barely. But yeah, Doge is getting back up there. Let's go Doge. Maybe I should have averaged down. I don't know, but you know, I'm in for 24, still holding. All right, what else? Litecoin, 6.46%. Big day for Litecoin. FTX, 7.85%. Got some news on FTX coming up here. Big day there. Ether Classic, 6%. Pretty good, pretty good. A little bit of red here, but mostly green. So let's sort this out. So actually, it looks like kind of like 50-50, red and green. Yeah, so it's actually like 50-50 in terms of like what's red and what's green today. And there's not too much price action. Yeah, it did go 1.7% today, so pretty sideways, honestly. This is like really sideways for crypto, but a few coins in the double digits here. Number one is Secret, 22%, and then Oasis, 14%, and then Doge, 13.4%. And then FTX, Litecoin, Ether Classic. So, you know, there's a good amount of value coins that ran up today. Doge, Litecoin, FTX, Ether Classic, Sheeb. Everything after that is like less than 5%. But hey, we will take it. For the most part, all the value coins are in the green today. So the value coins are probably pulling up the market. Onto the red side, yeah, it's a bunch of lesser coins here. Celsius. Worst thing is Celsius, 5.7%. That's not bad at all. And Cadena, Loop Ring. Yeah, really not that bad at all. Everything is like pretty much under 3% down. It's very nice, very nice. You know, kind of uneventful day, but slightly bullish. I will take it for sure. All the coins I were in were green today, so I will take it. So yeah, that's crypto today. Slightly bullish. You know, hope you guys are diversified here between value and growth coins. But for the most part, you should have made money today. Hope you guys made money today. So, you know, honestly, pretty uneventful days in the stock and crypto markets, but both of them are slightly bullish. So, hope you guys made some tendies here. All right, let's get on to the news. I guess we'll look at low roller stuff first. Disney World fans are waiting over 6 hours in line to buy a $25 popcorn bucket, with some bigging in those in front to buy them for $100. Why? What's so special about this popcorn bucket? Is this it? This dragon thing? A figment-shaped popcorn bucket? Yeah, limited edition popcorn bucket. Purple dragon figment. Okay. I guess it's a collector's item, or it will be. I don't know. Some people are nuts. They should have gave him an NFT. Should have given him a free NFT with it. Then maybe I would say, all right, I understand. But is this the popcorn? It's like dyed different colors. They look kind of nasty. Green and blue popcorn. All right, interesting. I don't get it, but you know, some people are fans like that. So they're already reselling them for $100. It's like $150. Well, you know, that's a pretty good return if it's $25. You know, you make 3x, you make 5x on that. I wonder if you could buy more than one. So, interesting. I don't know why what's so special about this, but, you know, apparently it's valuable. I guess if you hold it and you sell it years down the road, it'll be worth a lot more. But it's already at $150. Interesting stuff. All right, got some articles here about crypto. So yeah, I got 4 articles today. One about Mark Cuban, one about FTX, one about India, and one about Doge. So let's do it, guys. Let's read here. Mark Cuban says 80% of his investments that aren't on Shark Tank are crypto related. Here's where I look to invest. So it says one type of organization in particular that has captured Cuban's attention: decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs. And it says he's also bullish on smart contracts, which is like what Ether does, I think. And yeah, he's into DeFi and NFTs as well. So, yeah, not going to read the whole thing, but Mark Cuban is going full ape mode into crypto. So, I hope he's onto something here. You know, a lot more billionaires, wealthy people are coming around to crypto now. I think Kevin O'Leary, his partner on Shark Tank, is also pretty big into crypto now. So, you know, that's good for us. It adds more legitimacy. So, yeah, Mark Cuban says this is like when the .com bubble happened, when the internet happened, which is where he got rich on. So, I hope he's onto something here. Smart guy. But yeah, you know, Mark Cuban full ape mode into crypto. All right, next article about FTX. FTX launches $2 billion venture fund. Sam Bankman-Fried's FTX crypto exchange announced today the launch of its venture capital fund, FTX Ventures. FTX Ventures will launch with $2 billion in assets under management and will focus on the digital asset space. FTX is no stranger to funding initiatives in the crypto space. So, it says here the fund is going to focus on backing Web3 teams building projects in social media, gaming, fintech, and healthcare. So we see here FTX Arena. It's just, where is this? I didn't even know there was FTX Arena. You know, there's Crypto.com Arena. But I didn't know there was FTX Arena. Soon there's going to be Coinbase Arena. Watch. I mean, you see FTX and Crypto.com all over sports. Coinbase is in sports too, in the NBA at least. But where is FTX Arena? I didn't know this was a thing. That's pretty legit. That's pretty legit. So yeah, you know, FTX is one of the bigger players in the crypto space, and now they got a venture fund, which is going to help the overall crypto economy. So pretty big stuff there. He's only 29? Damn. Yeah, so pretty cool stuff here. What's my thoughts on NFTs? Well, they're kind of like the new, it's like an evolution of crypto. They are crypto, but it's like the next step in crypto. So it's kind of like, I feel the same way I do about crypto, you know? For the most part, most of them are worthless. Most of them are like scam rug pulls, and you're probably going to lose your money. But there are a few legit ones that will go very high. So I'm not too like familiar with NFTs. That's not really my specialty. But you know, I know like the sports cards, things like that. Yeah, the sports stuff, like movie stuff. Like those are gonna have value in the future. But you know, some of these are more ridiculous. Like and I'm not saying these are worthless, but some of them are like the crypto ape and the crypto punks and those, like, I don't know why those are so much, but maybe those are legit, but there's like copycats of those, kind of like you know, Dogecoin and like Sheeb. There's so many copycats of those that are like gonna just gonna be rug pulls. So I think it's pretty cool. It's definitely here to stay. But I can't really come around to it. Like, I personally wouldn't really invest in NFTs, maybe down the road, but that's not really my thing, not too interested. But yeah, they're legit. and they're going to have a future here in the crypto space. But yeah, same thing as crypto. A select few, a small minority are legit, as in like they will have value and boon. But most of them, the majority of them are rug pull scams. So just be careful with that. It kind of reminds me of 2017 when like crypto exploded and everyone is buying all these poop coins. Most of these NFTs are like poop NFTs, but few of them will, explode. So you just gotta pick and choose correctly. FTX doing stock market too? Really? I did not know that. Interesting. Easy to think of it like comics and baseball cards. Yeah, like the sports cards I think those are pretty legit, and the movie ones. But everything else after that, those are kind of questionable. But thanks for being here, Eric. Appreciate you as always. You see new Beanie Babies documentary, HBO Max, Hulu, and soon Apple Plus. Jump in Beanie Babies bandwagon documentary. Is that still a thing? Beanie Babies? That used to be really big. Haven't heard about Beanie Babies in a while. They should make Beanie Baby NFTs. Why not? Some are worth something if somebody else is willing to pay it. They also have usage now that prove membership would be one. I did hear somewhere, I forgot where, but I read somewhere that in the metaverse, you can hang your NFT. If you have a house in the metaverse, you can put your NFT in your house as like art, which is pretty cool, I'm also not big on the metaverse, but I have to admit that's going to be a legit thing in the future. It already is, but we're in the beginning stages of the metaverse. So, whereas before NFTs was just like an image, now you can actually see it in your house in the metaverse. So I think that's pretty cool. So that definitely adds value to that. A lot of business copy each other anyway. Yeah. That's just life. You have all these Chinese products and copycat coins. Yeah, you're welcome, Peasy. So it could pay off pretty big. Just be careful with that. You got to pick and choose correctly. Sports cards crash now. I haven't kept up with that. I'm not big into NFTs, but yeah, it's just like crypto. It's gonna have cycles of pump and dump, but over time, it's gonna be a good investment. It's like artwork then, as in some people will pay for it, some won't. Yeah, it'd be interesting if NFTs become a tax haven. You know how like wealthy people buy art? Well, wealthy people buy art for two reasons. Some of them buy it because they actually like it, and most of them buy art because it's a way to store your money without being taxed on it. So, you know what? If NFTs eventually become like a reason to invest in because of tax reasons, it's definitely going to blow up. And I can actually see that. It's just the government has to officially change NFTs to like artwork where you get tax benefits. But that would be big. That'd be big for sure if NFTs are considered art at some point in time. They have new Beanie Babies called Beanie Boo. Funko Pop is the new Beanie Babies. Yeah, I have no idea. Beanie Babies were like big when I was born, when I was really young. I haven't heard about Beanie Babies in a while, but trends come back. Like YouTuber membership, as in you could sell an NFT as a member of the community and offer events and discounts, tips, EXT, etc. Yeah, I mean, you get free NFTs for a lot of stuff now. Usually they're not like worth that much, but you go see a movie, you get an NFT now. You go to a game, like the Jets game the other day, they were against the Bucks last week, I think, or 2 weeks ago. They were offering free NFT. So, it's pretty cool stuff. I didn't take crypto seriously in 2017 since crypto could be the next Beanie Baby. I think there's a big difference between crypto and Beanie Babies. Crypto is definitely a lot bigger, but yeah, there's money everywhere. But see, you could copy the picture and make a new NFT from it, but if they verify the creator, then it validates it. Yeah, then it's like it's like fake art, There's fake art, that's a thing. replica art. So there's going to be replica NFTs now, and yeah, you have to like validate it through kind of like how an expert comes in and confirms your art is real. Yeah, you have to like validate your NFTs now. Crazy, right? Vinyl records and even VHS tapes make a comeback. Really, who owns VHS anymore? I know some people own records still, but yeah, definitely collector's items, and it's a very niche market, but there is money in certain things. What up, Joe? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Please smash the like button, guys. Everyone who's coming in right now would appreciate that. And yeah, thank you guys for joining me today. Can already tell it's going to be a great show. A lot of people in here already. All right, moving on here. Also, price spoofing on the chain increased the price between group of wallets. I'm not too familiar about that. Price spoofing? That sounds pretty interesting, though. Kind of sounds like manipulation. But I gotta check that out. Yeah, stuff is getting nuts. Alright, next article here. Bitcoin and Ethereum futures ETFs coming to India. So not going to read this whole thing. My apologies about the sirens, guys. Going to talk over it. So, yeah, it looks like India are getting crypto NFTs, not NFTs, ETFs now. So, yeah, Bitcoin and Ethereum futures related ETFs, as well as Metaverse US listed large cap discount certificates, will be available in India. So, it's pretty cool. It's pretty big news because, not too long ago, India banned crypto, and they did a 180 on that. They saw the potential. So, a lot of the world is coming around to crypto now. Especially, some of the bigger countries. So this is good for crypto, for sure. Adding more legitimacy to crypto. And good for India, too. Doing the right thing here. All right, last one. Have you looked at Fath et al? Ty, I grabbed a few puts at the bell. Personally, no, but I think Zach asked me about that to look at the chart the other day. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's Zach. I'm not sure if he's still here, but I think I looked at the chart. We can look at the chart real quick after I'm done with this. But you could talk to Zach about that. Yeah, I'm not sure if he's still in the chat or but you can hit him up on Discord if anything. I think he's like swing trading that on the long and short side. So we'll take a look at that. But yeah, personally, I don't know too much about it. But I think you and Zach could share a lot of useful information with each other there. They seen Turkey and was like, did Turkey ban? I'm not familiar with Turkey. Did they ban crypto? I know they're in like ruin right now. Inflation is going crazy. But I'm not sure how Turkey, what their stance on crypto is. But it sounds like Turkey is like anti-crypto, which is pretty stupid because it's a good way to fight inflation. So they should be into crypto. And it's tax revenue. You can't stop it. These governments will come around to realize you can't stop it. You can't stop. There's some things people will always want. Alcohol, cannabis, gambling. I don't know if I could say it, but eggs work, we'll just say. And yeah, crypto. So, things that are previously outlawed, you can't stop it no matter what. You might as well legalize and collect your tax revenue. You heard North Korea is still crypto in the news? Yeah, we talked about that yesterday. Had an article about that yesterday. They stole like 400 mil. Tesla merchandise sold out? Really? Did people pay in Dogecoin? or did they buy in regular dollars? I'll catch Zach soon, sometime soon. Rainbow Bear unit. Or yeah, I don't think he's here anymore. He was here in the beginning. But yeah, hit him up on Discord, dude. Oh, by the way, Joe, is this you? There's this new guy, Joe715. Is that you, or because I think you were already in here. I think you're FSC Joe. But this new guy, Joe715, came in. I'm not sure who that is. Yeah, hit him up on Discord. Yeah, meaning the inflation protections. Yeah, Turkey should get behind that. People can collect free crypto online. Turkey can't stop it. Yeah, no one can. No country can. So might as well legalize. All right, last article here about Dogecoin. Dogecoin jumps 27% to break 20 cents following Tesla adoption. That's not you? Okay. Well, that's cool. You know, new member. I was just kind of confused who that was. All right, so you're not going to read this whole thing. It hit 20? I didn't know that. It's at 19, but all right. So, Tesla merch buyable with Dogecoin. Elon Musk tweeted. So, you know, this isn't exactly breaking news because didn't Elon Musk say this like last month? He said it was going to be, or they were thinking about, you know, making merch available with Dogecoin, or they were going to make it available. So I guess now they officially made it available. So, yeah, not exactly breaking news, but they confirmed it, and I'm not complaining. I need a Doge pump here. So, you know, Elon Musk at it again. This is why I'm Team Doge and not Team Sheeb, because we have Papa Elon behind this. I just need him to keep tweeting. So, pretty ridiculous. But Doge is pretty legit now. And Mark Cuban likes Doge too. I think you can buy Mavericks merch. Dallas Mavericks merch with Dogecoin. Or you're going to at least. I think he said he was going to make... You could buy stuff at the stadium with Dogecoin. So yeah, we need more billionaires supporting Doge. I don't know why billionaires don't support sheep, but I'm not complaining. So good for Doge. Now waiting Robinhood wallet. Isn't that available already? I thought it was. Anyway. 70% of U.S. crypto holders started investing in 2021. 46 of respondents reported having 1,000 or less in crypto, while 25% said they held between 1 and 10,000. What about over 10,000? All right, yeah, you know, crypto's getting popular. Especially last year, it blew up out of nowhere, but... Yeah, you know, F the government and Congress, it's here to stay. People want crypto. So, you know, they can't stop it. Now they're just like, how do we tax this? That's all. So, very, very bullish. Bullish news to me. I'm just surprised there's not more people with over 10,000. Over 9,000. It's over 9,000. All right, that's awesome. Bullish news there. Cool. So that's all the news for today, guys. Let's get on to the TA now. And let's do FATH real quick. Oh, yeah, I remember. Yeah, I did talk about this. So what I told Zach was, and this is not financial advice, of course, but, you know, it looks like it may run in the short term here. Here's a possible cup and handle. So it might come back up to $9 or even 10. But this is an IPO, and you know how I feel about IPOs. I'm not a big fan of IPOs. They usually, generally speaking, come back down and lower. So yeah, I said I think it's gonna go below 5 in the coming months here. There's also a gap at 560, so it should come back down at 560 eventually. I would say pretty soon. And I do think over the next few months it will go under 5. So it may be somewhat bullish in the really short term, but give it a little time, it should pull back pretty hard. That's just my opinion, and that's based on, just generally how all IPOs tend to go. So you caught a put here at like $8. Nice, dude. Ivy's a bit high, so that's my only concern. It's all like over 100%, but yeah, it should give it a couple of months. It should pull back pretty hard. So good luck to you, Joe. There are more gambling options. Maybe lottery players are buying crypto. Yeah, buying Dogecoin. Lottery players should just buy options. That's what Wall Street Bets is about. It is a casino. You just buy options. And you have a better chance of hitting FDs than winning the lottery, so. Sorry, just checking my text here. Started a position. I try not to go full ape to start. Yeah, maybe consider shorting, dude. Not financial advice, but personally, I do like shorting rather than buying puts, because, when you catch it at a top like this, the IV is pretty high. So, that's why I really prefer going with shorts rather than buying puts, because there may be a situation where it goes down and you still lose money because of this crazy IV crush. So, consider shorting as well. Or maybe have a mix of them. Mega Million 325 billion tonight. Hey, good luck to the apes. No, essentially lottery is like, it's a dream for people in poverty to get out. It's like $2 and maybe, just maybe, I can become a multi-millionaire. Like wealthier people don't play lottery. It's really kind of sad. It's your local government's preying on poor people, selling them a dream. Anyway, it's state-sponsored gambling that affects poor people the most. That's really what lottery is. All right, so once again, guys, today we're gonna do BBIG, Vinco Ventures, DOGE Dogecoin, and CENN Cenntro Electric Group. So, we've been talking about BBIG and Cenntro a lot, but yeah, those are all trending top 10 today. Major price action, so I'll try to get through this as quick as possible. Try not to bore you guys. So let's get through this, and then we'll get on to the Yolos. Got some really good Yolos today. A lot of lost corn. Fridays is lost corn day, so yeah, let's get through this and then finish up strong here with the Yolos. Dogecoin, people took chance to put $1,000 under 1 cent. Yeah, but that was before it was legit. Dogecoin was like a complete joke back then. Now it's pretty legit. So, I was in at half a cent, but as a complete joke. And then I sold, so I'm pretty upset about that. But, yeah, who would have knew? All right. So here is BBIG, Vinco Ventures. This finishes at $4.07 today. That is up 15.3%. So we've been covering this stock quite a bit in the past week. It's been very popular. Major price action. And on StockTwits every single day. And once again, this was pretty high up there on StockTwits. So we will talk about it once again. And really no reason to justify this price action today. It really, and this is just speculation on my part. Yeah, just speculation on my part. It seems like retail is really driving this pump slash squeeze the past few days. It's all over StockTwits, like I said. Getting a lot of volume here. So it seems like the apes are really pumping the stock up. And squeezing the shorts out. That's the biggest factor, at least. So, yeah, let's go ahead and analyze here. Is this a gap? No. So we do have a triple gap down here. First gap is at 950. Second gap is at 750. And the third gap is at 580. Oh, no, quadruple gap down. My bad. No, triple. Yeah. And the third gap down was 585. So those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us this stock should eventually come back up to fill all of these gaps. Now it may be a while before this comes back up to 950, but the gaps usually do fill. So eventually it should come back up to 950. Maybe in the long run, maybe in the short run, if the apes continue to squeeze this up. And actually it was a quadruple gap down just yesterday. We had another gap down at 375, and that one filled. And that one filled yesterday. But yeah, triple gap down, very bullish there. This also looks like a possible cup and handle in the making. Top of the cup could either be 555. $9 or around $12, and the bottom would be around 215. So another very strong bullish indicator that is telling us the stock should eventually run back up to complete one or all of those tops. Again, may take a while before it gets back up there, but very strong bullish indicators there. And we also have a possible bull flag in the making here. No confirmation just yet, but this does appear to be a flagpole forming. And if the flag forms pretty soon here, we will get confirmation. So that is a bullish indicator that is telling us this stock looks like it wants to break out to the upside here. I know Dogecoin will hit 2 cents in bull run, but I didn't expect 75 cents. Yeah, that's when Elon Musk came in and started pumping it. What up, Punk Skater? Thanks for being here, dude. Thoughts on Lucid share expiring the 19th, 1.9 billion shares. Yeah, so first of all, thanks for joining, dude. Please smash the like button, guys. So, yeah, I think Joe would know a lot more about that than me. He seems to be pretty on top of that. He's following Lucid a lot, and yeah, he's holding puts. So, I'm not an expert on the subject, so maybe you and Joe can talk more about that. But to me, that's definitely not bullish. You know, that's either neutral to bearish, because there's only two things that can happen. Either the people that own those shares are going to hold, which would be neutral, or they're going to dump, which is bearish. That is not bullish in any way. So, best case scenario, it doesn't move. Worst case scenario, it dumps. So expect some, selling off, I would say. But yeah, I guess you and Joe could talk more about that. And I'm not sure if you're in the Discord, Punk Skater, but I don't think you are. So if you want, dude, join the Discord. Link in the description down below, and you can chat with the community members anytime you want about questions you have. Because I'm not an expert about on a lot of this stuff here, but our community, pretty smart guys here, and a lot of people have the same investments. So check out the Discord, dude. And thanks for being here. Please hit the like button, guys. It's 1.2 billion. Whether Saudis sell, whether or not Saudis sell, I plan to sell my puts on the 19th. Sounds like a plan, dude. I imagine the fear alone should drive it down. Yeah, it kind of seems like a sell the news event. And the IV may go up a lot if it actually does sell off. So, great plan, dude. Good luck to you. All right. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now this is sitting on the support of 405, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 425, 460, 485, 515, 535, 555, 585, $6, 620, 650, 680, 705, 730, 765, 795, 715, 835, 870, and then 910. And there is support above 910, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 375, 350, 330, 315, 295, 265, 250, 225, 215, and then 195. And there is support below 195, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now at this current price, 405, the channels to the upside are pretty wide. So if this continues to run to the upside, expect a significant increase in price action, which is great for the bulls. And to the downside, the channels are pretty decently sized, so expect a regular amount of price action if this runs to the downside. RSI is currently at 70, so this is officially in overbought, overvalued territory. So be careful, guys. Not saying it won't keep running up to the upside. Not saying it won't keep running to the upside, but this is getting into some pretty dangerous territory here, so just be careful. And this did 203 million in volume today. Very significant volume. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Oh, forgot to mention here. There's also a gap up at 160. So that's a bearish indicator that is telling us this stock may come back down to 160 eventually to fill this gap. At this point, it looks pretty unlikely, but very noteworthy. So just keep that in mind, guys. Gap up 160, bearish indicator. Kroger guy is complaining. He is live. I guess we can look at it later. playing video games, yeah. You know, he's doing a lot to help himself, for sure. Alright, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice, and this is more or less the same. We've been covering this stock for the last few days, so what I'm going to say is more or less the same. This still appears to be pretty bullish to me. Great, here comes the ambulance. One second, guys, going to mute. My apologies. Alright, we're good now. My bad, guys. So this does appear to be still... So this still appears to be pretty bullish to me. Not as bullish as it was a couple days ago, because this has been running pretty hard here. Low-key squeezing. But still, a lot of bullish indicators, still a lot of upside potential. Again, triple gap down. Lots of different possible tops here. We do have the bearish indicators in the gap up and the high RSI, but this still looks overwhelmingly bullish, I would say. So if you want to go long, not financial advice, in the long run, it definitely is a good buy. In the short term, this may be getting a bit dangerous. So buying in here at $4 in the short term would be somewhat of a gamble, but it could pay off pretty big. It very well could pull back in the short term, but I would say going long here at $4 in the short term is a medium risk, high reward play. Definitely worth a shot. But it is getting a bit risky. You know, you should have went long a couple days ago, back in the $2 range. But even here at $4, there's still a lot more upside potential. If it goes back up to $5.85 to fill this gap, that's about a 50% upside. At $5.70 to fill this gap, at $7.50 at this to fill this gap would be almost a 100% upside. And to fill this gap at $9.50 would be almost a 150% upside. So I could support going long at this current price, $4. But if you're in it for a swing play, just be careful, because this could pull back. But still looks like a pretty good buy to me. Just do it at your own risk. Now, longer term, if you're going to hold this, Now, if you're going to hold this for the long term, it definitely is a good buy. Because, again, it should eventually come back up to fill all those gaps, complete one of those cups there. So, for sure, if you're in it for the long term, that would be an excellent buy. Buying in here at $4 for the long term would be a low risk, high reward play, I would say. So, already missed a lot of tendies in the past few days, but $4 is still an excellent entry. For the long run. In the short run, it's a decent entry. But yeah, I can't support going long here at $4 in the long and short term. And if it pulls back below 4, then you could just average down. Then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Not yet, at least. This damn ambulance. The LTR took another leg down. All right, we can look at that. All right, my bad. Just waiting for the ambulance to pass. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Not yet, at least. This is literally in the middle of a short squeeze here. So, I don't know why you would short this at $4. Going short at this very moment would be a high risk, low reward play, I would say. Not too much downside potential, a lot of upside potential, and you do not want to short this in the middle of a short squeeze. So, it definitely could be a good play in the future, if/when this does moon to the upside. But for now, definitely hold off on the short side. Ambulance sounds like chicken clucking. Yeah, it kind of like, it's not a full, it's like switching on and off. I would say if you want to go short, what the actual hell? I'm sorry, guys. I don't know what's going on outside. Messing with my show here. That's like the third one in like 5 minutes. Something's going on outside. If you want to go short, I would say a good entry. I would say wait until at least 8:35. I think 8:35 would be a good entry to go short. It may even go higher than that. So, but I think at the very minimum, don't short this until 8:35. So I'd support going short at 8:35 and lower and higher. And from there, that would be a lot of tendies to the, and from there, that would be a lot of tendies to the downside. But yeah, shorting at $4 right now, really bad idea. Don't do that, guys. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock, and to everyone looking to take a position. This is BBIG Vinco Ventures. what the actual. I'm glad you you find the. I'm glad you guys are, find the sirens and noise outside pretty hilarious. It pisses me off because it's messing with my show, but you guys don't seem to care too much. You guys are a good sport about it. But yeah, New York City, what you gonna do? All right, next is Dogecoin. So give me a second here. Let me pull it up in TradingView. Where's the bottom for Palantir? Oh, let's look at Dollar Tree and yeah, let's do that. I forgot about that. So Dollar Tree, yeah, pretty good bleeding here today. It did come back up though, but yeah, Joe, wait for that 130. As soon as this breaks 130, it's going timber. I actually haven't used the timber meme in a while here. It's going down. I'm yelling timber. Yeah, just wait on it, Joe. Palantir. Palantards unite, right? Well, it does look like it's holding pretty strong here at 16. Is this... I think this is the all-time low, right? No, not the all-time low, but... I don't want to say this is the bottom, but it is holding pretty strong here at 16, so hopefully it holds at 16. It was holding at 18 before, and it broke that, so... 16 is a good entry to buy in, I would say. If you want to average down. But if it breaks 16, which it very well could, it's probably coming down to 14, dude. That's really the next support I have here after 16. So fingers crossed it doesn't happen. But, yeah, if it does break 16, this can go really bad. But RSI is at 30 right now, so it is undersold. It is undervalued. So I would say, 16, pretty good entry. If it falls below 16, average down at 14. And if it breaks 14, it's going down at 12. So, hopefully it doesn't happen. But longer run, if you're in it for the long term, this does look bullish. A lot of gap downs at 24.30, 26.30, 31.25. So, yeah. Consider averaging down to 16, 14, and 20 and 12, I would say. But, hopefully it doesn't go below 16, but if it does, very good chance it goes to 14, unfortunately. That damn song is still stuck in my head months later. Years later, right? That song came out a minute ago. Palantards Unite, thank you for everything you do. Your TA on point. Thank you, dude. That means a lot. I work really hard here, and I appreciate you guys. I'm glad you guys enjoy the content. Yeah, Punk Skater. If you want, again, you can join the Discord. I have my good friend Sir Sloth in Discord. He's also another Palantard. He's pretty heavy in there. I think he's like, I don't know how much he has in there, but he's I think he's over 6 figures in there. In shares and options. So, consider joining the Discord, dude. It's a really good resource. All our community members are, pretty smart guys, and a lot of the investments that you guys make, you think similarly. A lot of you guys are in the same investments. So, yeah, if you want, Discord link in the description. You can join it and ask a bunch of questions in there. And a lot of community members can answer your questions a lot better than I can. Because I'm not a Palantard myself. I used to be. And then I sold at 27, which is a good call on me. But yeah, dude, like in terms of fundamentals and DD and stuff, there are other community members that are more knowledgeable on that than me. I just look at the chart. All right, back to Doge. So here is DOGE, Dogecoin. This is currently at 19 cents, and that is up 10.37% today. Someone get that spammer out of here, please. That's how I think we made it, or we're making it, because spammers are coming in here every day. That's how you know you made it. Okay. So, Dogecoin and crypto in general has been running the past few days. But today we have a major pump from Doge, and that is because there was a big announcement from Elon Musk saying that Tesla merch will now be available to buy with Dogecoin. So that's not exactly breaking news. I think he mentioned considering this months ago. But now it's official. You can buy Tesla merch with Dogecoin. So, very bullish PR. Apes loved it, jumped in here, and pumped the coin up over 10% today. At one point, it was over 20 cents, so it has pulled back a little bit. But yeah, let's go ahead and analyze here. So this does look like a possible cup and handle here. Top of the cup could be 22.76 cents. 27.24 cents. 30.56 cents or 35.7 cents. But those are all currently bullish indicators, because that is telling us this coin should run back up to complete one of those tops. Bottom of the cup would be 14.5 cents. This also looks like a possible bull flag in the making here. No confirmation just yet, but it appears like the flag pole has formed. So if the flag forms, that would be a bullish indicator, because that is telling us the stock should break out to the upside. Here comes another one. Another ambulance. Yeah, today's pretty bad with the sirens. I don't know what's going on. I gotta get out of New York City. This is like pretty ridiculous. Alright, think we're good. My bad, guys. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. I've never linked TradingView before, so I hope that's working out there. Alright, I think we'll stop here at Yeah, we'll stop at 35. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 19.23 cents and 18 cents. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 19.23 cents, 20.68 cents, 21.69 cents, 22.73 cents, 23.88 cents, 25 cents, 26 cents, 27.17 cents, 28.25 cents, 29.15 cents, 30.37 cents, 32 cents, 33 cents, 34 cents, and then 35.75 cents. And there is resistance above 35.75 cents, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And to the downside, next levels of support would be 18 cents, 16.61 cents, 15.44 cents, 14.5 cents, 11.85 cents, 9.4 cents, 7.4 cents, 6.4 cents, and then 5.11 cents. And there is support below 5.11 cents, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now at this current price, 19 cents. The channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized. So expect a good amount of price. So expect a regular amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 29 cents to the upside, the channel will start to open up and get really wide. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 29 cents. And to the downside, if/when this breaks 14.5 cents, the channel will start to open up and get really wide. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 14.5 cents. RSI is currently at 61, so a little above average there, but nothing to be too concerned about at the moment. And this did 469, nice, in volume today, way above average, so this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, so just my opinion, not financial advice, and full disclosure, I do have a position in Dogecoin. This looks pretty bullish to me. Again, we have the possible cup and handle, possible bull flag. Those are both bullish indicators. And we have a slightly bearish indicator in the above average RSI. But again, shouldn't be too concerned about that just yet. And no neutral indicators. So overall, the chart, the TA does look bullish at the moment. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, although you did miss a pretty big dip back in the 14-cent range, 19 cents still appears to be a really good entry for the long and short term. And aside from the TA, we do have some catalysts coming up here. We do have the SpaceX Doge rocket launch coming up in the spring very soon. And we also have the Doge Festival, I think it's called Doge Palooza, coming up here. Should be in the spring as well. So a lot of bullish things going for this coin right now. So I would support going long at 19 cents and lower. If this pulls back below 19, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Just in general, I don't really believe in shorting crypto. I think that's a really bad idea. That usually doesn't turn out too well. And yeah, like I said, a lot of bullish things going for this coin right now. You really don't want to bet against the apes and Elon Musk. And now Mark Cuban. So I would say going short would be a high risk, low reward play. Not too much downside potential, a lot of upside potential. So I just don't really think going short is worth it here. I don't think it makes too much sense. So I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. So congratulations to everyone who made money on this coin today, and good luck to everyone currently in this coin, and to everyone looking to take a position. This is DOGE Dogecoin. All right, cool. One more to go. And that's CENN. Okay, here is CENN. Cenntro Electric Group, no longer NAKD. This finishes at $3.18 today. That is up 21.84%. What's up, Mitchell? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Nice to see you in here again. How'd that BFRI play go, dude? I hope you, got your tendies and got out, because I think it's going back. But, either way, thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Okay, so we're going to go back to the NAKD chart, because the two charts have not combined yet. So major price action on this stock today, and no real reason to justify it. It just seems like the sell-off was getting a bit ridiculous, and the apes finally did come in and buy the dip, pumping the stock up and squeezing the shorts out. Just speculation, though. I really can't say why the stock went up so much today. But let's... But yeah, the stock has been trending top 10 on StockTwits for the past few weeks. And once again, it was trending top 10. So we'll talk about it once again. So let's go ahead and analyze here. Sold? All right, good, dude. I was thinking about you. Like, damn, I hope he's all right. But, glad you got out of there, dude. So I hope you, either made money or didn't lose too much there. Bad news, Netflix subscribers. You heard the news. Breaking news. Now what happened with Netflix? You can't share accounts anymore? The price go up? Please smash the like button, guys. Would appreciate that. So we do have a gap down at 690. So that is a bullish indicator. That is telling us this stock should come back up to 690 eventually to fill that gap. This also looks like a possible cup and handle. Top of the cup could be 620. $7.70, $10.40, or $14.10. And the bottom of the cup would be $2.70, would be $2.60. So that would currently be a bullish indicator. That is telling us this stock should run back up to one of those tops to complete it, to complete the cup. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. What price is it? Is that this? 318. All right. So right now this is sitting on the support of 320, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be $410, $510, $570, $620, $705, $770, $840, $905, $980, $1040, $1090, $1165, $1265, $1335, and then $1410. And there is resistance above $1410, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next level of support would be $260, and that would literally be the 3-year low. No support past $260. So if it does go below $260, that could get really bad, but hopefully that is the bottom. So right now at this current price, $320, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized. So expect a regular amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 1845 to the upside, the channels start to open up and get really wide. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 1845. RSI is currently at 15, probably a little bit higher than that now after the big pump today. But that is still extremely oversold, extremely undervalued. So this could be a really good buying opportunity. Not financial advice. How much volume did it do? 14 mil. And this did 14 million in volume today. Very significant volume. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Price go up. It is more expensive than HBO Max. How much is it now? $15? I don't know. As long as you can still share accounts, I don't care. I don't pay for that. I don't pay for anything. I don't pay for Disney Plus. I don't pay for HBO Max, Netflix. You know, it's funny because everyone shares accounts, but they can't do anything about it, or rather, they don't want to because they know that would piss off a lot of people. So what they do is they just raise the price. Netflix is hiking rates before earnings. Is that going to make the earnings go up? Netflix stock is going up. All right, we'll get to that. Let me finish up with this. Okay, so we've been discussing this stock a lot the past few weeks, and really, my opinion has not changed. So it's going to be the same. the chart does appear to be really, really bullish right now. We have bullish indicators in the cup and handle, gap down, low RSI, no bearish indicators, and no neutral indicators. So this seems to be a really strong buy right now. So you missed the low. So if you want to go long, not financial advice, you missed the low of 260. That would have been a really excellent buy. But even at this current price, 320, that is still a really good entry. Really can't go too wrong there. Not too much more downside potential. A lot of upside potential. Like I said, there's a gap down at 690. So from this current price, that's over a 100% upside. More than that. That would be like a 110% upside. And if it comes back to the $12 or $14 range to complete the cup, that'd be about a 300% upside there. So yeah, a lot of upside potential. So yeah, this looks like a clear buy to me. Can't really go too wrong at 320. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down to 260. And hopefully it doesn't break and hopefully it doesn't go below 260. It's possible, but again, this is getting really ridiculous. It can't go too much lower to the downside. So I would support going long at 320 and lower. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. That really doesn't make too much sense. Again, a lot of bullish indicators, no bearish indicators, not too much downside potential, a lot of upside potential. This was at the 3-year low not too long ago. So going short here would be a high risk, low reward play. You'd be shorting for crumbs and exposing yourself to a lot of risk. So really makes no sense to go short here. Not a smart idea. Please don't do that, guys. You're probably going to get burned if you do that. So I would not go short here, and I do not recommend that. Please don't short this, guys. Oh, and going long would be a low risk, high reward play. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. And like I said, looks like a really excellent buy. Not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is CENN, Cenntro Electric Group. Alright guys, we're done with the TA. Took a little longer than I expected. We're at 5 hours 43 minutes, or excuse me, 1 hour 43 minutes in the show. So I said we'd probably go around 2 hours. So looks like we're making some pretty decent time here. So let's finish up with the Yolos. I guess we'll open this Netflix article. Wow, 8 viewers here. 8 viewers. That's a lot of concurrent viewers right now. So thank you guys a lot. Usually when I do the TA, it's pretty boring and people start leaving. But a lot of people in here right now, so thank you guys. Please smash the like button. And yeah, let's get to the Yolos. And also, let me open this Netflix thing here. And Logan Paul. All right, we'll get to that at the end of the show. A lot of lost coin today. Alright, so let's look at this. Netflix raises prices in US and Canada. Stock perks up. Why is it going up? So it went up $1. So it went up $1 for the lowest tier, and it went up $2 from the highest tier. So it went up like $1 to $2. Okay. I mean, like I said, kind of expected. It sucks, but they know that people are sharing accounts, and they don't really want to stop that because that pisses a lot of people off. So what they do instead is they raise the price, and, just in general, inflation, and, people aren't going to unsubscribe to Netflix. They know they can get away with this, so. And I guess that would make earnings go up, so kind of makes sense that the stock is going up. But, yeah, that kind of sucks for people who own Netflix. But, hey, like I said, I ain't paying, and a lot of people aren't, so. But, the people who actually do pay, that kind of sucks. Don't forget about Kroger Guy Live. All right, sure. Yeah, right. So, let's do the Yolos, and then we'll get to that miscellaneous stuff. Alright guys, so today should be pretty fun. Nothing too serious. Got a lot of lost coin here, a lot of memes. It is Friday. Friday is Lost Coin Day, when options expire and everyone goes broke. So this should be fun, guys. Let's do it. So this first one is by Sober Towley. That's a reference to South Park. Towley is always he's always high. So Sober Towley. Fixed January 22 meme stock update. Yeah, so this is pretty funny. This is I forget what you call this chart. I think it's like the sector chart or whatever. But here we see all the memes all in the red here. So in the stupid ape BS sector, Tesla, AMC, Clover, SoFi, DWAC, Virgin Galactic Skills, actual growth company sector, GME, I'm not so sure about that, but okay, Nvidia, Square, AMD, DocuSign, Airbnb, Roku, Coinbase, those are actual growth. I'm not sure about GME, but hey, don't hate me guys, a lot of GME apes in here. Boomer, resurrected Boomer, Shiz, BlackBerry, Nokia, Hertz, Macy's, Bed Bath & Beyond, Best Buy, Valid Zoomer Shiz, Roblox, Starbucks, Lululemon, Pinterest, Etsy, Snapchat, Emotional Damage, Sector, Evergrande, Alibaba, JD, Baidu, Didi, Neo, Your Late Sector, Moderna, Pfizer, Newegg, Wayfair, Elon said buy sector, Dogecoin, Etsy, literal garbage sector, Wish, 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 Wish. Yeah. Anyway, all the meme stocks here in the red. Meme stocks getting wrecked here. So this is pretty hilarious. Great post here. Funny because it's true. So thanks for that, Sober Towley. This is great stuff. Great meme here. All right, next one by Happy Strim. Thanks, Kathy. Clown. So, you know, everyone's clowning on Cathie Wood. She is the laughing stock of Wall Street right now. Boomers clowning her. Apes clowning her. So we see here. This is a play on Wendy's. It's supposed to be Wendy's, but it's Cathie's. And the value menu. Palantir, Coinbase, Teladoc. And here we got in this dumpster, Roku and Shopify. So, yeah, I kind of feel bad for Cathie Wood at the moment. She's, you know, she can't keep, everyone's just hating on her. Everyone just keeps clowning her. But, you know, memes are pretty hilarious. Love the Cathie memes. Yeah, they're pretty funny, right? So, give her the clown. And give her the Wendy's. By the dumpster. So, good stuff, good stuff. Alright, this one's by YOLO Call King. Revenge of the Rainbow Bears. So, I got a short video here. Let's play it. Inflation. Rising. Fed raising rates. Supply chain crisis. Putin playing Clash of Clans. Kramer being bullish. Labor shortage. Global pandemic. Yep. Rainbow Bears dancing all around. Although, you know, the stock market is still up overall for the past year, so. You know. But, you know, Bears making money during these volatile times. So good stuff there. Oh, I had it twice. Oh, man, this got deleted. This was a good one. Wow. Yeah, so this one got deleted. But this guy literally lost, he says, blew a Ferrari today. He literally lost 130K in one day. So, yeah. I don't know why it got deleted. That was some good stuff. Damn, that sucks. All right, moving on. So, from here on out, we got a lot of lost corn. So, this one's by Plain Meat 6698. Definitely reviewed this guy not too long ago. But yeah, from 3K to 150K to minus 180K to this. All right, so this is a bit deceiving. But yeah, here we see he starts with 3K, runs it up to 150K. Probably, you know, meme FD Yolos. Proceeds to lose it all back and go into the red here. Down 22K. So it's a bit deceiving. It's not down 180K. He's down 22K, but it was 150 minus the 22K here. So yeah. Loses 150K and goes 22K in the red. And then now he's up 47K. So crazy swings here. So you know what? I'm glad he's in the green. Well, I give him the J Powell for that. But yeah, this is absolutely absurd. I don't think you guys should trade like this. Must be really stressed. But yeah, I'm assuming FD Yolos got him up here. FD Yolos got him down here. And FD Yolos got him back up to 47K. On the year, he's up 68K, so that's pretty good. Great way to start the year. But at this point, you know what? Some advice, and this is not financial advice, but chill, dude. Chill with the FD Yolos. Be very grateful. You're very lucky to be in this position, to be up 47K. And if you keep going at this rate, you're probably going to lose it all back and more. So, I don't know, maybe buy some SPY, maybe buy some stock. Chill with the FD Yolos. Because, you know, I have a bad feeling. If you keep doing this, it's going to be worse than before. So, like I said, be grateful. You're up so much money. Just chill out. you know, and trade normally now. But this wouldn't be Wall Street Bets if he did, so. Anyway. So yeah, Plain Meat 6698, thanks for posting. This is absolutely absurd. Crazy swings here. I don't know how you do it, stress-wise. But, you know, like I said, at this point, be glad you're up so much money and just chill out for now. Because if you don't, good chance it's going back into the red. So thanks for posting. Good luck to you, dude. So it was DWAC calls. Any advice? You're asking the wrong guy. If I don't lose it all by next week, then you can ask me again. So he knows he's a degenerate gambler. At least he knows. You see Wall Street Live prediction in the forum? No, I don't. I don't know what that is. All right, more Lost Corn. By Skills 70001. Heard you guys like Lost Corn. 155k loss after I started gambling with options at 23 years old. This isn't even including my other losses. So yeah, here we see down 82k, 100%. But he says overall he's down 155k. So it's even worse than what the screenshot says. So first of all, how the hell does a 23-year-old get $155,000? I don't know. Either rich parents or up to no good doing illegal stuff, or he made it on FD Yolos. Anyway, so, you know, had a lot of money, had more money than most people at 23 years old, and blew it all. So, yeah, you know what? This is pretty nasty. There's only one way you can do this. Yeah, FD options, FD YOLOs. But on the bright side, you got, like 50 years of tax write-offs. And, you're only 23, so, you know, this is an expensive lesson learned. So in the future, maybe you shouldn't gamble with options. You know, if you took 155k, you bought SPY, and just held it for the long term, you'd be a millionaire. So, yeah. Anyway, so Skills 70001, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, dude, but great content, very entertaining. And may I suggest chilling out in the future. You're 23, you'll be alright. I know this hurts a lot. But yeah, you know, hope you learn a lesson and you invest with responsibly in the future. But yeah, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, dude. Good luck to you. More impressive losing 155k at 23 than is having 155k to lose at 23. Gam did him love, yeah. Inherited a lot of money. Rich kid. You had 200k at 23. You should have invested it and you could have retired at 40. If only I knew back then what I know now. I would have threw most of it into S&P 500. Yeah, like I said, SPY. And a fourth of it into fund trading. I was literally gambling and revenge trading to try to win it back. Yeah, he knows now at least. He got rich on Dogecoin. No, I think he just got rich parents. Could be though. All right, this one's by Hoover95. Max out all credit card balance transfer just to lose it all in one day. Thanks to Tesla call. All right, so hope he's joking. But yeah, here we see he's down 71.5k in down 82% in one day. So yeah, Tesla call's gone bad. So I'm not sure what the play was, but seems like an FD YOLO, and he pretty much borrowed on margin. Not officially, but he maxed out all his credit cards, so pretty much margin. So yeah, this really sucks. That's pretty nasty. But you know, still has 16K here, and you know, at least it's not zero. I guess that's the bright thing. Let's look on the bright side. At least it's not zero. But you know, I hope you have enough money to pay back your credit cards and stuff. But yeah, you know, not much to say about this. So Hoover95, thanks for posting. Very entertaining. Sorry for your loss, but you know, great content. And I hope you're joking about the credit card stuff, but if not, hope you're okay with that. And I hope you can learn from this. Show with the FD YOLOs. This is pretty ridiculous. So good luck to you, dude. Maybe he has 0% APR for 18 months. Add 26 APR to that. Yeah. I hope his credit card thing is okay. I have a couple cardboard boxes if you want to make a makeshift home. I really need them. Alright, so yeah, looks like he really couldn't afford to lose this. Enough for a ramen bowl for a few days. Help is alright. 800-273-8225. Help is available. Is this a funeral service? No, I think that's the delete yourself hotline. Actually, I'm pretty sure that is. Oh wow. All right. Damn, that's bad losing money he didn't have. Face palm. Yeah, you know. Well, you know, don't buy on margin, guys. Not really a good idea. Not financial advice, but that usually doesn't turn out too well. All right, by USMC3 10331. Ride Epic 2022. All right, this is pretty impressive. So here, this is shares too. Here we got 55,530 shares of Ride, Lordstown Motors, you know, EV meme stock. 90% diversity, great diversity, dude. So cost basis was $342.5K, over $340,000. And right now he's down $173,000, down 50.5%. And it's gone. I need to change that meme into the actual video. I'm going to do that. I'm going to get the Spanish laughing guy. So yeah, current market value, $169,000. Pretty impressive, pretty impressive. So, look on the bright side, at least it's shares, not options, not FD YOLOs. So there's a chance it comes back. I'm not sure if it will, because I think it's pretty bad stock. But it could have been worse if he bought options. So I don't know why he put this much money into Ride in the first place. This is ridiculous. And, you know, great diversity, like I said. Great diversification. So at this point, I don't even know what you should do here. Should he cut it? Because I really don't believe in the stock. I guess if he does, he can average down, but don't really think that's the best idea. But, you know, I'm not here to tell him what to do at this point. All I see is a lot of lost corn. And very impressive lost corn here, because he did it on shares. That takes, that really takes something. So, yeah, USMC3 10331. Thanks for posting. Sorry for the loss, but you know, hopefully make your money back somehow, some way. I don't know how you're going to do it. You know, hope Ride comes back up, but I'm not too sure about that. So thanks for hosting. Great content. Sorry for your loss. And good luck to you, dude. Are you still bullish? 100% loading still. Well, he's averaging down. All right. Good luck, dude. Used to own this dumpster fire. I'm baffled how someone could be competent enough to accumulate several $100,000 and then be so oblivious enough to pick a complete sham like Ride. There are gamblers and there are investors. Which one are you? I live near a Ride factory I drive by when I'm working. Is it legit, dude? Because there was like rumors where Ride was a total sham. There was no cars being made. And then they opened their factories up to the media one day. And everyone says it's staged and stuff. You know, there's not anything really going on in there. Kind of like a Nikola type of deal. So, is there anything going on in the factory? I don't know if you know, Joe, but I'm pretty interested. Alright, 3 more. This one's by RSTRA. Both charts are the same, except the outcomes are different. I mean, it's a real company. I mean, yeah, so is Nikola. So, it's a real sham company, yeah. I don't know. I don't like the stock. I don't know if they're making any cars. Yeah, nobody does. Alright, so this does look really similar to the GME. His portfolio here does look really similar to the GME chart, I will say. But yeah, the outcomes are different. GME is up 185%. His account is down 62K. Down 58%. So not really quite sure what he did to lose this much money. But it doesn't really appear to be FD Yolos. Maybe just stocks in meme stocks? I don't know. Shares in meme stocks. Whatever he's doing, it's not working. But, hey, he still has 45K. A lot of money. You know, so at least he can afford to take the hit somewhat. But yeah, you know, some more lost corn here. RIP to this portfolio here. Oh, I did the dumpster. I'm at the funeral. But yeah, not much to say here. Just some lost corn. So RSTRA, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. And good luck to you, dude. Hope you're making money back. Alright. This one is by Diego Ferrando Fitness. Current situation with my GME shares. Thoughts? Alright, some more lost corn. So here we have 903 shares of GME. Average price of $261. 100% position ratio. So no diversification. Good job, dude. So cost basis was $236,000, and right now he's down $125,000, down 53%. Okay. So, thoughts? Well, I think this is pretty apish. buying in 236K at the relative high, 260. And no diversification. Yeah, so super ape play. Could be more apish though if you bought options, but at least these are shares, so there's that. So, thoughts. Not financial advice, maybe average down. You know, there's a really good price right now. You can average down pretty hard here if you have any money left. Or maybe sell covered calls. I don't know. I'd probably go with the sell covered calls, and hopefully GME does go back up and you make your money back. But, yeah, for the most part, pretty bad play, and, you know, getting wrecked here because this was not a great play. Not a great price, and no diversity, so diversification. So this is what happens when you go full ape mode like this. But again, at least they're shares, so there's a way you can get your money back. So it's not all too bad, although it's pretty nasty. So I really don't know, dude. Advice, thoughts. So thoughts, bad play, advice, average down / sell covered calls. But yeah, dude. Thanks for posting. Very entertaining. Sorry for your loss, and hope you make your money back. All right, last one by Moazamo. Moazam0. The squozening that squozled shall again squozzle later than you hope, sooner than you fear, and right when you least expect it. All right, so this one isn't that bad. But look at this YOLO here. So we got 10,000 shares of GME. Average price 127. So this was a $1.27 million YOLO. What the hell? And right now he's down $104,000. So, you know, super 8 play here. I don't think the cost basis, the price average is that bad. You know, 127. That's really not too bad at all. So I think it's pretty decent entry. I just think this is pretty absurd to be YOLOing $1 million into this, $1.27 million. But you know what? This may work. This may actually work. You know, it's a lot better than the last guy with the 260 average. So, yeah, I like this one a lot better than the last one. I'm just kind of confused as to why you YOLO this much money into GME. But hey, super ape. So we'll have to see how this goes. There's a pretty good chance this works out. But, yeah, just an absurd amount of money to YOLO into GME like this. But, I don't know, maybe he's just autistic, because this actually has a good chance of working. 127 average, so not too bad at all. So, yeah, not much else to say. Crazy play here. And, you know, wish him the best of luck. It's a good chance of working out. So, Moaz Zam0, thanks for posting. Good luck to you, dude. I hope it works out. You are insane. And please post updates. Soon may the Tendy Man come. Do I have that? Oh, I do.
Soon may the Tendy Man come to send a rocket into the sun.
Haven't used that one in a while. Wow, okay. Nice. Alright, guys. So, that's all the YOLOs I got for today. So, at this point, we're just going to freestyle. So, we're going to look at this Logan Paul video. And then we'll look at this, Low roller, I don't see where the Kroger one is. Oh, here it is. Got it. So yeah, that's it for the show, guys. And at this point, we're just gonna score around here a little bit. We're just gonna chill. So thank you guys for coming today. Great show. A lot of people in here. Appreciate it. And yeah, if you guys want to stick around for a little bit, we're just chilling right now. Seven minutes, that's a bit long. But alright. And let's see this one.
Lowering the age of workers down to 14?
Wow, this guy's still alive. He's just complaining. Oh, he's playing video games. Well, he's a gamer now? Alright, we're not going to watch the Kroger guy. Because he's just playing video games and complaining. But we'll watch the Logan Paul one. Put this on 2x speed.
So yeah, we're in Chicago. You see the title of the video. This story's crazy, and it sucks. And I'm out $3.5 million, so make sure to go get some Prime, because every dollar goes right back in my pocket. All right, go.
Is it in here?
The whole thing's in here.
We're sitting in the vicinity of 11 first edition base set Pokemon boxes. This will probably never happen again.
He released this photo to Twitter. Just dropped 3.5 million on the sealed and authenticated box of first edition Pokemon cards.
This was the most anybody had ever spent on Pokemon cards ever.
I'm going to tell you why I don't trust the case, contents, or the authentication.
There's
enough sketchy stuff going on about the origin of this box.
Logan Paul may have spent the 3.5 million on fake Pokemon cards.
This news has now reached Logan Paul, and it seems like he's taking this very seriously. He's going to fly to Chicago and sit down with BBCE to verify the validity of this box.
Nope. Well, about that, yes. From looking at it, there's nothing suspicious about the outside of the case.
Quick context. This is Matt. He's one of the biggest sports card collectors in the world. He bought the Pokemon case for $2.7 million. He then sold it to me for $3.5 million, but he's become a close friend, and I can trust that he'd refund me if things went wrong.
If we crack open that case tonight, and inside are just a bunch of what do you do? Well, we know it's not because we went through a security check in Philly. We just happened to go in a government building. We know it's not. The reason why I was mostly concerned was because the person who brought it to me, he had so many inconsistencies in the stories. It was like 3-4 different stories. That was my issue. The guys from BBCE who authenticated it are here to basically stamp their authentication. This is
So we said he's going to get refunded anyway.
We're gold. The case value of this is going to double triple. It would legitimately be verified.
So it's not as bad as it
the only
seems.
sealed case in the world that is 100% real. You're from BBC.
Yeah, I'm the owner.
You're the only BBC, and you authenticated this.
Yes, me and Mike are going to go over when it came in my office that day what I looked for. And then we're going to speak back and forth about why we like the seals. If it's good, it's worth a lot more than the 3.5 now. In this case, I hope it's real. Back in March of this year, this case came into my office. They asked for my opinion. If the outside of this case had been tampered with, played with, reproduced in any way. You can see in this piece of seal that was put on there by Wizards of the Coast that this tape is aged onto this case. This label too, the same embedded lines of the cardboard from age are in that label. There's no evidence of tampering. One edge would look different anyway. Yep. I did my diligence just like I do for a sports case.
Oh, yeah. All right.
Fast forward a little bit here.
It's fake, bro. It's fake. Hold on. Is that the box? Oh, yeah, right? Oh. Look at this bullshit.
Why doesn't this one say first edition on it?
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Not like this. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. G.I. Joe! G.I. Joe!
G.I. Joe.
It could've been anything
Wow.
else.
They didn't even try to make it look official.
We all got duped. Agreed?
Yeah. It's the biggest fraud in the entire history of Pokemon. So
This tape on top is just
Well,
embedded.
who'd they buy it from?
I don't know if Jacob knew it was. That's where it is. That's where I'm at, right? There's gonna be a whole other process that goes into this. This is I would have never purchased this if it wasn't BBC Rap. We only buy it because of that. But because of that, I felt confident it was legit. It was good.
G.I. Joe, that's the worst part.
Wait, so he bought it without opening the box.
Oh man. I'm a super positive person, bro. And I'll always be the one to.
That's
look
not
at the
too
bright side.
smart.
And I'm trying, but this is very hard. It's just so sad for all parties involved. It's sad for the Pokemon community. Like how many fraudulent things are out there. I'm grateful for the things that I have that are real now. I'm literally like, I'm picturing my Charizard in my head. Oh my god, holy shit, like something real, something worth a lot of money that is real. Damn, bro. I just went from 11 first edition boxes to 5. No, yeah, to 5. We got it. End of story.
All right. Well. Yeah. The other guy wouldn't get refund, but he said the guy would refund him $2.8 million, right? So If they don't get refunded, that sucks. But I don't know. I can't feel too bad because they bought it without looking at the actual stuff. So they just went off the outside of the box. Shouldn't you open it and look at the cards before you buy it? I don't know. So to me, they should have did a little more due diligence, and who they buy it from. Go sue them or something. That's crazy. But yeah, that really sucks. But I guess that's the chance you take when you buy rare Pokemon cards like this. And Logan Paul will be alright. But yeah, that's unfortunate. I think it's the second time that happened to him. Anyway, thanks for sharing that, Low Roller. And we're not going to do that Kroger guy, but yeah, he's just ranting about playing video games, ranting about how much his life sucks. So why don't you go get a job instead of ranting? Never played Pokemon. It didn't come out till I was older. You never played Pokemon, dude? Never the video games or the card games? I used to love Pokemon. I used to watch that all the time. I love the video games. I didn't play the card game too much, although I did have them. If you open the box, Pokemon cards value go down. So they opened it anyway. What up, Kyle? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. BBIG, my man. I told you. Yeah, dude. I'm not sure what your cost basis was, but that's mooning right now. That is mooning right now for sure. So, congrats to you, dude. I mean, the people that bought in here at the top, still pretty wrecked. But yeah, you know, it's mooning right now. And it looks like it's not done just yet, so. Yeah, not sure which cost basis was, Kyle, but hope you're making some fat tendies. Diamond hands. Not really, not diamond hands. You know, hit the sell button eventually. But it still looks like it has a lot of upside potential. But, you know, don't get too greedy. I would say don't diamond hands this one. Secure the gains, you know, when you can. This is a meme stock. You know, sell it before everyone else does, because it will have to come back down eventually. But, yeah, you know, it's mooning right now. Congrats to you, dude. And glad you could pop in at the end of the show here. Nope, the card game in my time was the Magic the Gathering. Yeah, that was before my time. that was really big, too, Magic the Gathering. But yeah, guys, that's the show for today. So, yeah, once again, great show. Thank you guys a lot for joining me today. A lot of people in here. And yeah, thank you to everyone who stayed to the end. Appreciate you guys. You guys are the real ones. Hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed. We're going about 2.5 hours here. So, you know, pretty long, but that's all right. Always welcome to stay and chat with you guys. And that's all I got. So, unless you guys have any more charts or anything you want me to look at, questions, comments, concerns, charts, put them in the chat right now. And we'll get out of here. And again, no show Monday. Monday's MLK Day, no show. Stock market's closed, no show. I'm $5 average, was $8.60 before. This down was good to buy cheap. Alright, so $5. So you're still underwater here, but yeah, dude, it should hit $5 next week. Should, you know, not financial advice, but it looks like it still wants to pump. So, you know, that must have really sucked, you know, being at 860 average. But, you know, I'm glad you're making your money back. I'm glad you held strong. You averaged down. You did the right thing. And, yeah, dude, so it should keep upping next week. Just be careful, you know, make sure you secure the gains. Don't diamond hands, because it's probably going to come back down eventually. Can't keep up forever, so. Yeah, dude, I'm glad you're making your money back there. And thanks for popping in at the end here. Alright, guys, so let's get out of here. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys on Tuesday. Have a great weekend, everybody. Peace out.